Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create work order request form using Google Forms. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive. Over here, click on the new button on the left side. After that, select Google Forms and the blank form will open. Then click on Untitled Form and rename it something like Work Order Request. Over here, click the plus sign on the right to add a new question. After that, type something like first name and choose short answer as the response type. Then add more fields such as last name, type of work, and payment method by repeating the same process. After that, click on the eye icon to preview your form and make sure everything looks correct. Then click on the send button to share your form via email, link, or embed it on a website. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next